Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You now begin the update process by confirming essentials: battery at or above 50% and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, free roughly 2 GB of storage by moving photos or unused apps to cloud or SD card, because updates need space to unpack. You should also check your current Android version in Settings About Phone so you know the baseline. Make sure automatic backups are on. That protects your data before the system replaces files. Start the check for updates immediately. You will now fetch and install the update. Go to Settings, then System, and tap System Update. Choose Check for Update to see if one's available. Once the update appears, review the size and changelog so you understand new features and required permissions, then tap Download on Wi-Fi. Make sure to plug the phone into power. Installations can stall if battery drops. After download, the phone will prepare files. This can take several minutes. Do not reboot or interrupt while it verifies packages. You finish by tapping Install and letting the phone reboot into update mode. This applies the system image and runs post-install optimizations. Once done, complete any setup prompts and verify key apps run correctly. If the device gets stuck on the boot logo, try clearing the cache partition or booting to safe mode to diagnose offending apps. If problems persist, restore from backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you backed up before wiping, because resets remove user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.